back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit vertical videos for ads in VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to edit vertical videos for ads in VN, then all you gotta do is simply go to VN editor. Once you're in your VN editor, you need to start a 9:6 project. You need to import your footage and use multiple layers like main video, b-roll, text, graphic, using the picture-in-picture feature, and resize it, as well as mask them for a dynamic multi-screen look with keyframes for smooth motion, transitions, and effects to keep viewers engaged. So if you gotta do this with a 9:16 project and keeping it into a vertical frame, you can have your edited vertical videos for ads in your VN editor. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.